Alright, we're going to go ahead and fix up the heater hoses on this thing. Here's what broke. So I just cut this off of the hose. And here's the quick connect that pushes up onto the heater core. These are basically impossible to get to unless you pull this harness out. There's 3 5.5s that go across the top here into these quick nuts and holds this harness right here. Once you get that, pop your map sensor off this bolt right here, and you can lift this entire harness up out of your way. And there's the heater core fittings. So we'll just clamp some new fittings into the hose, lube them up, slide them on there, fill it up, call it a day.